Yo guys, it's your boy Sam Roshan and I'm back with another YouTube video today. So obviously today's YouTube video is going to be about how to make shisha, while some people in America, they call it hookah. So yeah, so I'm going to be showing you what you have to do, what things you need for it, like all the things. So first of all, you would need this to fill it up with water, because if you don't have this, then you can't smoke shisha at all. So if you have this, then you can be able to smoke it, because when you smoke from the pipe and you're dragging it in, the bubbles start to fizz up and you hear it bubbling. If you smoke and you don't hear the water fizzing up, that means that you have to put a bit more water, or you have to take water out if it's too high. But this is the average it's supposed to be. It's supposed to be all the way up to there. So always make sure it's up to there. And yeah, second of all, you would need this and also the pipe, because if you don't have these, you wouldn't be able to smoke it. So then you put it onto the vase, and then make sure you push it down really hard, and you twist it. Make sure to twist it really hard so it's on there, and yeah, make sure it's really tight onto there, because if it's not really tight and you're smoking it, sometimes it can drop to the floor and it can break. And once it has broken, you have to go and buy another one. And these are really expensive, like they cost around like 40 to 50 pounds to buy. And so when you're about to smoke it, you just check if the water is working properly. So if you get a sound like this, look, that means it is working. So you wouldn't need to worry about the water at all. And now you can start making the flavor. So the flavors that I've got is blueberry and mint, lemon and mint, bubblegum. I know that's a bit of a mad one, bubblegum, you know. And also got watermelon. So if you lot are looking to have a nice flavor, a nice time with it, like watermelon and bubblegum is really nice. It tastes like really nice. So if you mix bubblegum and watermelon together, like you will get such an amazing taste. Like literally, you'll get such an amazing taste with it. So obviously, here are the two flavors I'm gonna be smoking today. So bubblegum, watermelon. So you will need a head like this to put the flavor in, and you will also need foil. But today, I don't need foil because luckily I got this. So if you are looking to smoke shisha and you can't be asked at all to put the foil on, then put holes inside the foil, just have one of these, you put it on top of the flavor, you put the coals on top of it, and that's it, you're set. You don't need to worry about foil or anything, just worry about your coal cooking. Once the coal is ready, put it onto that and then just start smoking, and it will be really useful if you have one of these. Just make sure you have one of these whenever you're smoking, because it is really useful. Like on this, you just put it like that, that's it. And you don't need no foil, you don't need to make holes, and it wouldn't even take long to make it. So that's why I got this, because I don't need to take my time on making holes for the foil, because usually when I got foil, I have to make so many holes and it takes really long to make holes. So if you got this, you don't need to. So now I'm gonna start putting the flavor into there. So yeah, you'll see in a minute what it would look like. Also, before I start putting the flavor in, if you want the flavor to be really nice and get lots of smoke, make sure you wash it. If you wash the flavor, and that it will become really fluffy, and once it becomes really fluffy and you put it on the head, and when you smoke, lots of smoke will come, like literally big clouds of smoke, and you would be like, oh my god, it looks so nice. So let me go wash the flavor, and then I'm going to show you what it looks like on the head in 1 minute. So now I've just finished doing the head, and it's supposed to be looking like this. So I washed it and it looks like this, and now it's time for me to put the charcoal. And yeah, and then I just wait for the charcoal to get ready. Once the charcoal has got ready, I just, like that, put the head here. Then I put the charcoal on top of it. And yeah, that's it. Then that's how it's gonna be finished by then. So the next clip, you're gonna see the charcoals. Now, if you lot want really good coals, Zen coconut shell coal cubes are the best. Like literally, this is the best thing to smoke shisha with. Like literally, it's the best coal ever that you can smoke shisha with. So yeah, because the head I got is like that, I have to put 4 coals, so when I smoke in the flavour, so the flavour can come nice and the smoke can be loads. So I just set it up like that. That's the way you have to normally set it up. And now, that's why I'm going to be sitting down and smoking. So now, I need to put 4 coals on. So literally, if you don't have a coal burner, you have to cook it on the stove for 20 to 25 minutes and make sure it's red. And once it's red, then you put it on top of the head. So right now, I'm going to get 1 coal there. 1 coal there. 1 coal there. And 1 coal there. And so literally, we're gonna turn that up and leave it like that. So yeah, you leave it on top of the stove for 20 to 25 minutes. So we're gonna come back in 20 and 25 minutes. 20 to 25 minutes, we're gonna come back and see how it is. So yeah, this is probably gonna take 10 years to get ready.
1 eternity later.
So when the coals are like this, that means it's ready. So the coals are now ready. So now I'm going to put it on top of the head. So I'm gonna go do that now. So the finished product is this. It looks like that because I cooked it on the stove and not on the coal burner. If I cooked it on the coal burner, it would be much brighter. But this will do the job still. So it is red. So when it's red like this, so that means the coal is ready. So it's good if it's like this. And yeah, there we go. And that's how we make shisha. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to smash a like, subscribe if you're new, turn on post notifications so anytime I upload a video, you could be the first one to watch it. And yeah, there's the shisha tutorial. And if you lot want me to do any more tutorials, just leave a comment down below and a like as well. And I'll catch you guys next video. So peace out, guys.